If you want to get rid of fleas naturally, one mistake can ruin all your effort, because the problem is almost never only on the animal. Today, I will show you several important steps that most people completely skip, and that is exactly why fleas keep coming back. First, thoroughly vacuum the floors, carpets, couch, and all the places where your pets usually rest. Pay special attention to room corners and cracks, because flea eggs and larvae often hide there. After vacuuming, immediately empty the vacuum cleaner and throw the bag outside so the fleas do not spread around the house again. Also, wash all bed sheets, pillowcases, and blankets in the washing machine at a high temperature. Heat helps destroy fleas, their eggs, and larvae that often hide in fabrics and areas where pets spend the most time. Now comes an even more important step to remove the remaining fleas from carpets and floor cracks. We will need diatomaceous earth, which should be lightly sprinkled over carpets, along wall edges, under beds, and in all places where you noticed fleas. I used a regular brush to spread it evenly across the carpet. Diatomaceous earth dries out fleas and works even in places where eggs are hiding. Leave it for several hours, or even better, overnight, then vacuum everything thoroughly again. Now we will make a simple natural spray that you can use around the house and even on your hair. Add 1 tablespoon of thyme to hot water because it is often used in natural repellents thanks to its strong smell that many tiny pests dislike. Leave it until the water completely cools so it releases its compounds. After that, strain the mixture, add a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and pour everything into a spray bottle. Spray the places where fleas appeared most often. It is also very important to treat your pets, but without aggressive ingredients. With cats and dogs, you should be especially careful with essential oils because they can cause problems, especially for cats. Instead, you can use a diluted mixture of vinegar and water. Add a few tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to 500 milliliters of water and pour it into a spray bottle. Be sure to consult your veterinarian before using it. After spraying, regular brushing with a flea comb also helps a lot because it removes adult fleas and their eggs before they spread around the house again. I completely got rid of fleas in my house using this exact method. Write in the comments if you are going to try this. See you in the next video.